Here we go. Welcome to Gail Bennett's version of Sheldon Cooper's Fun with Flags. It's Punta Cuita?
Punta Vargas.
Punta Vargas. This morning I was on a snorkel tour, and snorkeling is my favorite thing in the world to do. So that I am out of the water truly tells you that I love you. But more than that, I got sick in the water. I have never been seasick in the water before. But it rained last night. The water is a little bit choppy this morning. Not terrible, but enough to make my stomach go up from underneath me. So the rest of the tour has gone on, and I am sitting here with my tour guide, Luis. And we're just sitting in a little under a little covering and looking at hermit crabs. So I'm going to show you a few hermit crabs. So there's a little guy right there, just meandering around. There's his bigger cousin, but he's kind of stopped doing what he was doing there for a minute. They're all over this place. And there was a few more over here. Oh, but they've gone too. Ay, there's one. And they're just happy wandering around. As I move out there, there's the ocean. That is not mi amiga today. Snorkeling was great, but I had enough of it.